Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about how can we put additional option before size. Now, based on a new setting, display above size, you can decide to display additional options before product size. Also, in the options rules, we have added a new option, additional option based size hide. This will help you to create rules to display additional options before size. This feature will be very helpful for the label product's price calculator. You can display additional options like label type, shape, etc. before selecting a size. This feature is also made available for custom size products. Let's see how it looks like at front store. So here you can see the additional option is above size. So here if you will select oval shape it will show one size and hide other size. If you will select square shape then it shows other size. If you select oval shape and go to Designer Studio, it shows oval shape for standard products. Now let's see one more example where the product is custom size. If you see the size is 94 by 60. But as you will change the size the mask image will auto adjust according to the size. Let's see how we can configure it in admin. Just go to product, action, and then go to additional option. In additional option, action, and click on edit. Here you can see the button display above size. As this button will be activated the additional option will be visible above size. As I have shown you that we can control size by additional option, let's see how can we set this in additional option rules. Here we have introduced one new rule that is additional option based size hide. Here you can see we have selected option and hiding the size on basis of additional option. Here you can see how we have created all rules with this additional option based size hide. To add mask images to different shapes click on Design Rules under Additional Option. Click on Design Preview Images. Here you can select additional option and add mask images for different attributes, which will be visible in Designer Studio. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.